Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow seekers of wisdom, today I stand before you to delve into the profound insights and enduring legacy of a man who has profoundly influenced the world of personal development, Jim Rohn. His name, synonymous with transformation and growth, echoes across the corridors of self-improvement and success. Jim Rohn wasn't just a motivational speaker. He was a philosopher for the everyday person, a guide for those lost in the complexities of life, and a beacon of hope for many who sought a better path. Jim Rohn's journey began in humble origins, which laid the foundation for his relatable and pragmatic teachings. His wisdom, distilled from a lifetime of experiences, transcends the mere bounds of personal success and taps into the universal yearnings for a fulfilled and purposeful life. Rohn's teachings have not only illuminated the paths of individuals in their personal journeys, but have also cast a guiding light in the realms of professional development, from aspiring entrepreneurs to seasoned executives. His words have offered a compass to navigate the often turbulent waters of business and career growth. In a world that is constantly evolving, where the only constant is change, Jim Rohn's teachings remain as relevant as ever. His philosophies do not offer a temporary reprieve, but rather a lasting transformation. They encourage us to look within, to cultivate our inner gardens, and to build resilience that stands the test of time and circumstance. His insights into personal development, goal setting, time management, financial wisdom, effective communication, and overcoming adversity are not just strategies, but life lessons that have the power to reshape our worldviews. As we embark on this journey today, exploring the vast landscape of Jim Rohn's teachings, let us do so with open hearts and minds. Let us embrace the wisdom that has transformed millions of lives, and find in it the seeds for our own growth and development. This exploration is not just an academic exercise. It is an invitation to embark on a path of self-discovery and profound transformation. First, I invite you to explore one of the most pivotal aspects of Jim Rohn's teachings: the power of personal development. Rohn, a master in the art of self-improvement, passionately believed in the endless potential each person holds within themselves. He often said, "Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune." This profound statement encapsulates the essence of his philosophy, that our growth, both personal and professional, does not end with formal education. Jim Rohn emphasized that the journey of personal development is lifelong. It's a continuous process of self-discovery, learning, and adaptation. He encouraged us to cultivate a mindset of perpetual growth, urging us to read more, to listen more, and to open ourselves to new experiences and ideas. He believed that the investment we make in ourselves pays the highest dividends. In a world where change is the only constant, Rohn's focus on self-improvement becomes not just relevant, but essential. He taught us that by developing ourselves, by expanding our skills and deepening our understanding, we don't just adapt to the world, we become architects of our own destiny, turning challenges into stepping stones for success. So, as we reflect on Rohn's teachings, let us commit ourselves to this path of lifelong learning and continuous self-improvement. In doing so, we honor his legacy and empower ourselves to reach heights we once thought were unattainable. Remember, the journey of personal development is endless, and every step forward enriches not just our lives, but the world around us. Jim Rohn also strongly emphasized the importance of setting clear, actionable objectives. He believed that vague aspirations yield vague results, while specific goals lead to specific outcomes. According to Rohn, our goals should be like a roadmap, providing us with clear markers along our journey. He encouraged us to write down our goals, to make them tangible, and to revisit them regularly. This act of writing serves as a contract with ourselves, a tangible commitment to our aspirations. But Rohn didn't stop at goal setting. He championed the power of visualization as an essential tool in achieving these goals. He taught us to not just think about our goals, but to visualize them vividly, to see ourselves achieving them. This practice of visualization is more than mere daydreaming. It is a powerful exercise that primes our minds and bodies to recognize and act on opportunities that align with our objectives. Through his teachings on goal setting and visualization, Jim Rohn provided us with a blueprint for success. He showed us that by setting clear goals and visualizing their achievement, we can transform our aspirations into reality. So as we move forward, let us embrace this wisdom, setting our sights high and visualizing our path to success with clarity and conviction. In the words of Jim Rohn, let's not just think about our future. Let's envision it, plan for it, and work tirelessly towards it. Another principle that stands out with resounding clarity: the value of time. Rohn, with his profound understanding of life's most precious resource, teaches us that the way we manage our time can be the single greatest determinant of our success and fulfillment. Jim Rohn eloquently put it, "Time is more valuable than money." You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. In his perspective, every day is a new canvas, an opportunity to create, to learn, to grow, and to move closer to our aspiration. He urged us to see time not as an enemy ticking away relentlessly, but as a friend offering us moments to seize and make our own. Rohn's teachings on time management are underpinned by the principle of discipline. He advocated for a disciplined approach to our daily routines, understanding that how we spend our days is, indeed, how we spend our lives. It's the small daily habits, the consistent routines, that weave the fabric of long-term success. Whether it's waking up early, dedicating time to personal development, or consistently working towards our goals, it's these seemingly small actions that accumulate and shape our destiny. Moreover, Rohn taught that discipline is not about restriction, but about empowerment. It's about having the foresight to prioritize what truly matters and the resolve to stick to those choices, even when distractions abound. It's about making intentional decisions with our time, understanding that each moment is a step towards the future we envision for ourselves. As we reflect on the value of time, let's remember Jim Rohn's wisdom. Let's embrace each day as an opportunity, infuse our daily routines with purpose, and cultivate the discipline to stay true to our goals. Time, after all, is the canvas on which we paint the masterpiece of our lives. Let's make every moment count, crafting a life that reflects our deepest aspirations and highest ideals. Jim Rohn also believed in the power of financial wisdom and independence. Rohn, a sage in the realm of personal development, understood that financial health is not just about wealth accumulation, but about cultivating discipline, making prudent decisions, and creating a foundation for lasting independence and security. Jim Rohn's teachings on financial discipline are a cornerstone of his philosophy. He often said, "It's not the amount that counts, it's the plan that counts." This simple yet profound advice underscores the importance of disciplined financial planning and management. Rohn believed in the power of living within one's means, of being judicious with spending, and of always saving a portion of one's earnings. He taught that financial discipline is not about deprivation, but about making choices today that will secure a more prosperous and stable tomorrow. Moving beyond saving, Rohn placed great emphasis on the wisdom of investing. He encouraged us to invest in assets that grow over time, advocating for a long-term perspective in wealth creation. Rohn understood that intelligent investing is not a mere act of accumulating wealth, but an exercise in patience, research, and understanding market dynamics. Perhaps most importantly, Rohn was a strong proponent of financial independence through creating multiple streams of income. He recognized that relying on a single source of income is like putting all our eggs in one basket, risky and limited. By diversifying income sources, whether through side businesses, investments, or other means, we not only bolster our financial security but also open doors to new opportunities and freedoms. Jim Rohn's approach to financial wisdom was holistic. It wasn't just about making money. It was about making smart decisions, living with discipline, and creating a life of abundance and independence. So, as we reflect on his teachings, let us strive to apply these principles in our own lives. Let's embrace financial discipline, make wise investments, and seek diverse income streams. In doing so, we honor Rohn's legacy and take meaningful steps towards our own financial independence and security. Jim Rohn also was a strong teacher of the art of communication and relationships. Rohn, with his insightful perspective, highlighted the profound impact effective communication and nurturing relationships have on our journey towards fulfillment and success. Jim Rohn taught that communication is much more than the exchange of words. It is the art of connecting with people. He believed that effective communication is the foundation of building meaningful and lasting relationships. According to Rohn, the key to effective communication lies in simplicity and clarity. He advised that our words should be straightforward and genuine, reflecting our true intentions and feelings. This authenticity not only fosters trust, but also bridges the gaps between differing viewpoints. More importantly, Rohn emphasized the power of listening in communication. He often remarked that the greatest gift we can give someone is our attention. Active listening, he believed, is not just about hearing words, but about understanding the emotions and thoughts behind them. This level of empathetic engagement allows us to connect with people on a deeper level, fostering mutual respect and understanding. One also highlighted that building strong relationships is a continuous process. It requires patience, empathy, and the willingness to invest time and effort. He encouraged us to nurture our relationships with care, recognizing that the quality of our relationships often determines the quality of our lives. In our fast-paced world, where digital communication often overrides personal interactions, Rohn's teachings on communication and relationships are more relevant than ever. They remind us of the value of human connection and the profound impact it has on our personal and professional growth. So, as we go forth, let us apply these principles in our daily interactions. Let us communicate with clarity and listen with empathy, building bridges of understanding and trust. In doing so, we not only honor Jim Rohn's legacy, but also enrich our own lives and the lives of those around us. Remember, in the tapestry of life, our relationships and how we nurture them form the most vibrant and enduring patterns. Lastly, we arrive at a topic that resonates deeply in the fabric of our lives: adapting to change and overcoming challenges. In a world that is constantly in flux, Rohn's wisdom on this subject is not just timely but timeless. Jim Rohn believed that the ability to face challenges and adapt to change is fundamental to our success and happiness. He often said, "Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. Don't wish for fewer problems, wish for more skills." This powerful statement encapsulates his approach to life's inevitable difficulties. Rohn encouraged us to view challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities to grow, to learn, and to emerge stronger. Central to Rohn's philosophy was the concept of resilience. He understood that resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, is not inherent but can be cultivated. He advised us to build our resilience by developing a positive mindset, one that focuses on solutions rather than problems, on possibilities rather than limitations. This positive mindset, Rohn taught, is a choice, a conscious decision we make every day. Furthermore, Rohn emphasized the importance of embracing change rather than fearing it. He believed that change is a constant and an ally in our journey of growth and self-improvement. By adapting to change, we keep ourselves flexible, dynamic, and open to new experiences. So as we face the challenges of life and the inevitability of change, let us remember Jim Rohn's teachings. Let's cultivate resilience, maintain a positive mindset, and embrace change as an opportunity for growth. In doing so, we not only navigate life's ups and downs more effectively, but we also pave the way for a life of fulfillment, success, and continual self-improvement. Remember, in the words of Jim Rohn, it is our response to what happens to us that truly shapes our destiny. In a world that is rapidly evolving, where technology and societal changes are reshaping the very fabric of our existence, Rohn's wisdom offers us a compass to navigate these turbulent waters with grace and efficacy. Firstly, let us consider the power of personal development. In an age where information is at our fingertips, Rohn's advocacy for self-education and lifelong learning has never been more pertinent. As we face new challenges and opportunities, the continuous pursuit of knowledge and skills becomes vital in staying relevant and effective. His philosophy reminds us that in a world of constant change, our greatest asset is our ability to learn, adapt, and grow. Turning to the art of goal setting and visualization, in our era of distractions and endless streams of information, The clarity and focus that come from setting concrete goals are invaluable. Rohn's teachings guide us to visualize our objectives vividly, helping us to navigate the complexities of the digital age with a clear sense of purpose and direction. When we contemplate the value of time, Rohn's insights are incredibly resonant in our fast-paced, modern environment. The discipline to manage our time wisely is crucial in a world where demands on our attention are incessant. His teachings encourage us to cultivate habits and routines that maximize our productivity and well-being, emphasizing that time once spent is irreplaceable. In terms of financial wisdom and independence, Rohn's advice is exceptionally relevant in today's economic climate. With the rise of the gig economy, financial markets volatility, and the shifting landscape of work, his emphasis on financial discipline, diversifying income streams, and smart investing is critical for achieving financial stability and independence. Furthermore, the art of communication and relationships holds special significance in our digital era. In a time where digital communication often supersedes face-to-face interactions, Rohn's emphasis on effective communication and empathetic listening is crucial. His teachings remind us of the power of genuine human connections in building meaningful relationships, both personally and professionally. Lastly, on adapting to change and overcoming challenges, Rohn's perspective is incredibly pertinent in our times of rapid technological advancements and societal shift. His views on resilience and maintaining a positive mindset in the face of adversity are essential tools for us in navigating the complexities and uncertainties of the 21st century. In conclusion, Jim Rohn's teachings, though crafted in a different era, hold profound implications for our modern lives. They provide us with a framework to develop ourselves, manage our time, achieve financial independence, build meaningful relationships, and face challenges with resilience and positivity. As we integrate these timeless principles into our daily lives, we equip ourselves not just to survive, but to thrive in our ever-evolving world. Let us carry forward these lessons, adapting them to our contemporary challenges, and in doing so, honor the legacy of a truly remarkable thinker. Thank you.